Hello and welcome to another video of Mentor MMA channel. As you know, on our channel, we produce videos that are targeted for professionals who want to learn quick tips on tools that they use on their everyday life. So with that, let's jump into our today's topic, which is how do you format your cells in Excel based on the value of that cell. Now I have this example. Let's imagine you have a data like this where you get a percentage completion value where you want to color those cells based on that particular value. One option is simple. You just see the value. This is your legend that if it is 50 and above, it's green. It's 40 to 30%, it's yellow. Below 30 is red. So a simple option would be that you just start coloring those cells. But drawback here is that if your data is changing, then you need to color every time. Every time you change a value, you need to color that. For example, this 31 become 51. You have to recolor this cell. Now, how do you solve this? In Excel, there is a very good option available that you can use, and that's what we will demonstrate today. So let's get here. I have a similar data that I have copy pasted. What you would do is that you will select all the data where you want to apply the condition, and then you go to home, and from home you have an option called conditional formatting. So it will do the same formatting, however, it will be conditional based on the value in the cell. So if your data is changing, if there is a automated linkage of your data that changes your data, or if you input or key in your data manually, in any case, based on the data that is available in a particular cell, that cell will be formatted using conditional formatting. And let's quickly see how it works. You click on conditional formatting and you apply a rule. There are other options. We will continue to discuss that in other videos. However, to keep it simple, we will just consider this simple example. You go to new rule and you choose the option format only cells that contain. So based on cell value, and when cell value is between, let's say for the green, we say 50 to 100. If it is 50 to 100, then format. We go to format, and in format, you will select green. Click OK, and then OK. As you see, all values have got green that were meeting that criteria that we just defined. Now you will repeat that for the other values. Another rule that says format only cells that contain cell value. Now for the other one, the legend is wrong. It's not 40 to 30, it's 49 to 30. So I'll use that value, 49 to 30%. And then the formatting will be a yellow, whichever yellow you want to use. And then one last time, we do the same thing for the red value. Format only cells that contain cell value 20, 0 to 29, or so if it is 0 to 29, then it will be a red. All right, now you see that same output we have got. However, the benefit is that, for example, if this 52 turns, let's say 21, it automatically turns it red. If this turns back to 45, it will become yellow. If it turns to 77, it will become green. So that's how all of these values will be automatically formatted. You don't need to take care of formatting colors. They will be automatically formatted based on the value that is available in the cell. You think you have done something wrong or you're not happy with it, it's pretty easy to clean it up. You just go on conditional formatting and you say clear rules from selected cells and everything will be gone. So you don't have to worry about messing up anything. It's pretty simple. You just clear rules and then everything gets back to normal where it was. Hope you find this video valuable. If you did, please like, subscribe our channel, and look forward to see you in another video. Thank you.